All right, today we're gonna bring a fly catcher, and this one's actually pretty good. It has its own hanger, if you guys can see that. It's basic wire hanger, but this one's actually pretty good. You add your own water. All the flies will automatically go into this base itself, and all you gotta do is toss it away. And this is something that a lot of people are purchasing now, especially where a lot of flies, bugs, and all sorts of animals are coming out because it's summer right now. So we do have a pool, mosquitoes, and hopefully we're gonna have to, put this around the facility here so we won't get bothered by any flies, especially if you're gonna be eating or barbecuing and you don't need any of that. This is probably the best thing to do. So let's put it to use and see how many flies we can capture. All right, check this out. Look at how many flies we got right now. And right now we have in our garbage cans. There's a lot of flies in there.